My name is Keith Brown. I'm with Daycom Service. We were hoping to show you some common problems today that people typically run into. And one of them is lines on the copy, usually resulting from gel pens, white out, stuff like that might adhere to the glass or the scan glass, and it will cause a line across your page. I'll show you a sample. So I don't know how well you can see that, but you can see the line going across the page in that little smudge area. Typically, if the edge is blank on both sides, it's something on that scan glass. The easiest way to remedy that problem, I use alcohol. You can use isopropyl wipes, anything of that nature. Basically, what we're trying to do is clean that ink off the glass and then dry wipe it. Like I said, isopropyl wipes work great. Just kind of wipe it down. It's this little strip glass that runs across front to back. Usually you'll get just like a little speck on there and you might not even see it. Once that alcohol sits a little bit, just dry it up and we should have a nice clean copy. It doesn't always work the first time, but typically if you let that alcohol sit and break it down and dry wipe it, usually pretty good. You might have to try it twice, but usually it will clean it up pretty nice. Let's see how this looks now. Corrected all those problems with just a real quick clean and check. If any of these tricks don't seem to work out, definitely give us a call. Let us know. Hopefully this helps.
Subscribe for more tech tips or visit us at daycom.com to learn more.